how to enable or disable the health app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, we tap on the settings icon. From the main settings page, now scroll down, and from here tap on screen time. After that, scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. In here, you want to tap on allow apps and features. Then scroll down. In here, tap on health. Tap on the health toggle button to disable or enable health. When you turn it off, you will disable health and it will not be available on the home screen or in the app library. So if I try to search for the health, it will not show. And if I now go back and turn it back on, so after you have turned it on, give it a few moments for the change to update on the home screen as well as in the app library. So here you can see here health has come back, and if you go to the app library, you can now look for the health app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.